Did you know that there's a way to hand carry the mini Lindy? And by using a single Twilly, there are 3 additional ways that you can use the mini Lindy by shortening the strap. Are you interested to find out how? Make sure you watch this video. Before we get started, this part of the video is sponsored by Ana Luisa. They sent me a couple of jewelry items that I think make great Christmas ideas. They're ethically sustainable company and they make a lot of very affordable fashion jewelry that is great for everyday wear. I love their designs and they're so easy to wear and look after. They're having one of their biggest sales now ever where you buy one and get one 60% off. So if you're thinking about Christmas gifts, I have a couple of ideas for you. So the first item I was sent was this puffy heart necklace. I believe it's called Lev, L-E-V. I love that it has a beautiful heart shape. It's kind of puffy and it comes on this beautiful adjustable chain as you can see here. And at the end there is a lobster claw and it has 3 settings here through these 3 rings. I love that when you wear it, it's not just flat but is a bit puffy and it feels a bit substantial, so it doesn't feel flimsy at all. I love this necklace. It is so cute. And the next item that I got from them was also these puffy heart earrings. These are also made out of 14 karat gold and are in these puffy heart shapes, and I believe this one is called the Jessica. I had to make it a set because I really love this puffy heart look and I love that these are so affordable, easy to care for, and a lot of the time when I wear Ana Luisa jewelry, I hardly feel that they're there. So I've just put the set on. They're so cute and I love how they really pop when you put them on because they are not flat. Because they're a bit puffy, they really do stand out. So here's one side and you can see the other side here. And I have paired it with the necklace as you can see here. Oh, they're so cute. I really love how they stand and pop out. And I think you can wear these every day on a casual basis. And I hardly feel that they're there. So they're super comfortable. And I also picked up one more item, which is this dome-shaped ring. It is also made out of 14 karat gold. And I love how this also has a bit of a puffy shape, and I love that it's a gold ring but with something a little extra so that it just doesn't look so plain. So you can see it's more narrow along here and it becomes wider and narrow again, and it also has this puffy shape. I believe this one is called Noah. So I've just put this on so you can see what it looks like. I love that it is so simple and classy, and this ring will pretty much go with anything else you wear for the day. So here is the final look with both of the puffy earring necklace and of course the ring. So if you are interested in any of these items, I will put links down in the description box below where you can click on the link to find these items. And once again, they're having their biggest sale ever where you buy one, get one 60% off. So I highly recommend that you check out their website by clicking on the link in the description box below. So let's move on the 3 ways I like to carry my mini Lindy by using a Twilly. So one of my favorite ways to carry the mini Lindy is by hand carry like this. So let me show you how I turn the mini Lindy into a hand carry bag. So let me show you how to change this into a hand carry, and you can do this even without using a Twilly. So if your bag strap is like this, what you can do is you can just tuck this bag strap underneath like so until it looks like this. And then you take this side of the strap together with this, and then you just bend this down below the bag. And there you go. It becomes a hand carry, and you can carry this as a hand carry or you can carry it by the crook of your arm. However, if you want, you can also tie it into a twilly, and by using a twilly to tie around the top handle, you can also turn it into a shoulder carrier bag, which will also shorten the strap. So let me show you how I do that. So let me show you how to tie up the twilly for a handheld or a shortened shoulder strap. So I have a twilly here, and as you can see, I have just made it into this shape as I showed you previously. So I'm just going to turn it on this side and just make sure that the strap is centered on both sides. And you can see I have a twilly here. So basically what you need to do is you need to put this twilly under this handle here, and then you bring this up and over the two straps here, like so, and then you just bring this over this side and you tie a knot like this. So just make sure that's nicely tightened, and you can adjust the end like this. And then just again make sure that the top and the bottom are not too tight or too loose. Here you can start to wrap the twilly over the two straps. So here you can see we have reached the end, and when you reach the end, you basically tuck this side of the twilly underneath, and then over this part, around, and then you tuck this side of the twilly underneath that last loophole, and you pull that through. And then after you've done that, you can again adjust the end to make that look nice. And there you have it. It is now wrapped to be a hand carry on the crook of your arm, or to be carried as a hand carry. And there is one more way that you can wear this look as a shoulder carry. So basically what you can do is you can just remove the strap from the bottom, then push this part down, and you can now wear this as a shoulder bag. And because of this, the bag will be shortened. So let me just show you some modeling shots of how long this looks like me with the strap wrapped this way. So as you can see, I have put the twilly along the top, and I can use this as a shoulder carry. And if I want to change it back to a handheld, I can do that by again just putting the strap along the bottom of the bag like so, and using it as a hand carry or on the crook of my arm. So this is my favorite way to carry this bag. So there is a second way of shortening the strap by again using a twilly. So by using a twilly on this side of the handle, it could be on the other side too. I'm just going to feed that through to here and leave a small end at the end. And then I'm just going to twist this over one side of the handle like so. And when you get to the end on this side, you can just feed it through this loop here, and then adjust this to the center of the strap and continue tying that. And once you reach the end of this side, you can place the handle down towards you. And what you want to do is you want to feed the strap through under here, then over the strap and through the other loop like this. Then you want to go around this way and then feed it again through this loop over here and pull down. And then take this side again, feed it through this side of the strap and pull down. Then you want to flip up this side of the strap, and then here you can tie a bow, or if you don't like a bow, you can also double knot this end. And again, you can adjust it to make it look the way you want. And there you go. The strap has been shortened. So let me show you a modeling of what this looks like on me. So those are my two ways of tying a Twilly on the mini Lindy to make it either for hand carry, for shoulder carry, or even to shorten the length of the strap on one side. So again, I hope this video was useful for you. Tell me what you think of shortening the strap on the mini Lindy. Finally, shout out again to Ana Luisa. If you are looking for beautiful, affordable, and sustainable jewelry, I highly recommend them. So if you're interested, please feel free to check out the links in the description box below. They're having their biggest sale ever right now with the buy one and get one 60% off, so you really don't want to miss that if you are still looking for gifts for either yourself or family and friends. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did like this video, please feel free to like and subscribe. You can also follow me on Instagram. I will leave my Instagram tag somewhere here below. I wish you a fabulous day and we'll see you next time. Bye bye now.